Hey, it's Rihanna, aka Rhea, the cutest little Cali chick, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so tonight I'm doing another unboxing. I have a Franklin sensor. That is a stud finder, and that is for hanging things on the wall. It makes it easy to find the studs in the wall. So, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in the package. This is what it looks like in the package. Okay, so this may come as a surprise, but I love building shit. Like, I love putting shit together. I love crafting, but I love construction. Like, I absolutely love it. It's like, ugh. Okay, so that's why I'm so excited about getting this, because I'm going to be able to have so many new products and so many new projects to do. So let's go ahead and open it. This is the Studfinder Professional Stud Finder Franken Sensor. This is it in the package, yellow and black. It looks very nice, very visually appealing, and it looks very easy to use. I am so ready to open it. I'm just trying to find the best way to open it at this point because I see all the directions on the back. I'm going to give you a quick view of all the directions on the back, but I will break it down to you, all the functions and uses. So now that I got it open, let's go ahead and take a look inside. I have a manual and I have the actual sensor. I'm just looking at it. It looks really cute. It's very lightweight. It's only 6.4 ounces and it's metal. Franken sensor. At the top, it has this small yellow button and it makes a slight clicking noise, and that's how you know that it's working. This is a 7-inch LED horizontal display screen. This shows the studs, centers, and edges, which makes it easy to use. It also can show multiple studs at the same time as long as it's within the 7-inch horizontal display screen. On the back where I just showed you, those two white strips, those are the actual sensors that need to be placed up against the wall in order for it to pick up the studs through the wall. It can detect wood and metal. I love this sensor stud finder because it has no calibration needed. So you can just open it, put the batteries in, and it's ready to go. So this is where the batteries slide into. You push this arrow right here, which opens a little compartment, and it takes 2 AA batteries, which are not included in the package. This stud finder can also go through 1.5-inch walls. So now I'm just putting the batteries in because I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to see how it lights up. It has red lights, and I'm ready to see how it will light up and actually show me the studs on the wall. I click the button and it's working. The batteries are working. I found these batteries in my laundry room, so I'm so glad they're working. So here we go. I'm putting the case back on, and now I'm going to put it up against the wall and give it a try. Okay, now I'm going to put it up against the wall and we're going to see how this thing works. Okay, here we go. Okay, so wow, that was pretty impressive. It looks like even when it moves across, it can still hold on to the same stud that it found. So I'm like so excited to use this stud finder and put up some shelves, hang my mirror, hang some lights, and I have those projects coming soon. So please, you guys, subscribe to my channel, stay with me. And if you have anything interesting to tell me or that you want to share with me or that you think I should make a video about, please leave it below in the comments. I do read the comments and I love reading the comments, so leave me a comment, drop me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.